Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to take RAW photos in Samsung Galaxy S series smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Samsung home screen. So firstly let me show you which Samsung Galaxy S series smartphone right now I'm using for this video tutorial. So let me go to the settings and let me show you about the about phone. So right now you can see I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. So if you're using S20, S21 or S22 or S23, whichever S series you are using, this tricks will gonna work for you. So now just open the camera application, and on the left top corner you can see one settings icon. Just tap on it, and now you will see here one option written advanced picture option, right? Just tap on it. Now on the second option you will see here RAW copies. So you can clearly see at the bottom it's clearly mentioned that it will save as both JPG and RAW copies once you take a photo after enabling this option. So this option will only gonna work in the Pro mode. As you can see, already mentioned, only it works in the Pro mode, so it don't work in the standard mode. So what you need to do after enabling it, just move back. So now you can see on the right corner one option written more. Just tap on it, and now just select this Pro. And after selecting this Pro option, whenever you take a photo, so I've clicked once, right? So now after taking a photo, let us go to the gallery. So you can see here two photos are already being saved. So first let us check the first photo. Let us check its details. So you can see here it's clearly mentioned this one is a JPG format, and the next file is a RAW format. As you can see, clearly mentioned on the above RAW format. When you can see the details with extension .dng, which is a RAW format file. So by enabling this option, you can easily take RAW photos in Samsung Galaxy S series smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool options available in every Samsung Galaxy S series smartphones, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.